high-speed direct-attach cable assemblies by Molex, the technology and industry standards leader. DAC cable assemblies provide high-speed network connection with superior signal integrity. Molex provides complete solutions across multiple industry standards and offers data rates from 10 gigabits per second up to 400 gigabits per second through various configurations. DAC cables are compliant with respective MSA, IEEE, and SFF architecture specifications for guaranteed compatibility and performance as per industry standards. These cable offerings now include low-smoke, zero-halogen cable assemblies to meet European Commission standards for data centers. DAC cable assemblies are ideal for the telecommunications and networking, data communications, and medical markets. Additionally, Molex provides a single supplier solution for high-speed direct-attach cable assemblies with off-the-shelf availability as well as custom configurations. To support our global customers, Molex has strategic manufacturing worldwide. More information at molex.com.